Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this so simple, only one row repeating scarf. You can do that scarf with thick yarn only 2 or 3 hours. Okay, not a day, only hours you need for that. It's so simple. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and your kind comments. You will make these shells only. We will twist them places. That's it. Only one row repeating. You need to know single crochet and double crochet. That's it. Here I use size 4 yarn, multicolor yarn, and I use this scarf 6mm hook. I made here 20 cm, but you can make it which white how much centimeter you want, you can make it, and you will crochet it which length you want. Okay, if you're ready, we can start to crochet. Only one row repeating, so simple for beginners scarf. Let's start crochet. You need for this pattern multiples of 4 plus 2. Okay, you will make your chains which length you want. After add it 2 chains more. Make a slip knot first of all. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. It's enough for me for showing you. Plus 2. Then turn my chains, and you can see here back loops. Okay, skip this very first, start from the second one, insert my hook, this back loop, grab my yarn, I have 2 loops, pull through together and make single crochet. Then yarn over, skip 1 2 3, insert the 4th one here. I use back loops, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 2, yarn over, insert into the same, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 2, yarn over, insert into the same again, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. We make on the 4th stitch 3 double crochet, between of them 2 chains. Then skip 1 2 3, insert again 4th one, grab my yarn, I have 2 loops, pull through all together and make here single crochet. Yarn over, this time skip 1 2 3, insert into the 4th one, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, make double, chain 2, yarn over, into the same stitch again, make double crochet, chain 2, yarn over, insert into the same stitch again and make 1 more double crochet. Again make 3 double, between of them 2 chains, and make your stitch. Then skip 1 2 3, insert into the 4th one and finish this pattern row with single crochet. 1 2 3 and 4 chains and turn my work. Turn my work here. We will start this pattern from half pattern here, because we slide these shells. Yarn over, insert into the same stitch, grab my yarn and make double crochet here. Then come to the second double stop, join with a single crochet. Yarn over, skip these stitches and come to previous row single crochet and make here double crochet, chain 2, yarn over, insert into the same, make double crochet, chain 2, yarn over, insert into the same single crochet and make your 3rd double crochet. Then come to previous row's second double stop and join with a single crochet. You start from half pattern. You will finish your row with half pattern. So yarn over and come to previous row's last single crochet. Insert here, make double, chain 2 and make one more double into the same stitch. That's it. Again we will repeat the first row now. Chain 1 and turn my work. Not count that chain 1, insert into the same stitch and make here single crochet. Yarn over, skip these stitches and find your single crochet of previous rows. Insert here and make your double crochet. Chain 2, yarn over, insert into the same, make your double, chain 2, yarn over, insert into the same and make your last double. Then come and find the second double stop from previous row, join with a single crochet. Yarn over, skip this stitch and find the single crochet of previous row. Again make your double, chain 2, double, into the same stitch, chain 2, yarn over, insert into the same, make double. Then join it to the third stitch of, we have here half pattern. Insert the third stitch from the last double and join with a single crochet. Now do the second rows repeating here. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Turn your work, yarn over, insert into the same stitch and make your half pattern with double crochet here. Then skip the first double stop, come to seconds, join with a single crochet, yarn over, come and find your single, make here double, chain 2, insert into the same, double, chain 2, yarn over, insert into the same and double. Skip the first one, come to second stop, join with a single crochet, yarn over, skip this stitch and come and find your last single crochet from previous row, make your half stitch, double, chain 2 and double. Again chain 1 and not count, turn your work, insert into the same and make your single crochet, then yarn over and find your single and repeat your first row. Chain 2, make one more, chain 2, make one more. That's it. You will repeat it which length you want. When you come to end, how you can finish your pattern, I will show you. Here I come to end. I want to finish my pattern if I want to finish. Chain 1 and turn my work, not count that, insert into the same stitch, join with a single crochet. Then insert the chain 1 space, make single, insert the next chain 1 space, make single, insert your hook from between of that double and the single crochet and make single crochet, insert into the single, make single and complete this four stitch here. Here 1, here 2, here between single and the double 3, insert into the single 4, 1, 2, between of that single and the double 3, insert into the single 4. chain 1, chain 2, space 1, the other chain 2, space 2, between of the single and the double 3, and insert into the last single crochet 4. We made the first one from the beginning, so multiples of 4 plus 1, we complete our pattern. That's it. I hope you will like and you will try that. It's so simple. If you are a beginner, this pattern for you. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please leave me comments. Thanks for your time and kind comments. Again, you can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.